Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the iPhone App Podcast. Today we're going to take a look at Discover. Discover is a file sharing app that enables you to transfer files from any computer to your iPhone when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. So the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your iPhone to your computer. So at your computer, if you're on a Mac, with Finder, so go into Finder and then up in the Go menu, go to Connect to Server, or you can enter Command K and it will bring that up. And then you're going to want to type in this address. And this address is going to vary. You're seeing my address, but it's going to vary because you might have a different type of router. But I have an Apple base station, and so that's what it's bringing up for me. So I would enter that, and then it would actually open up a Finder window that's connected to my iPhone where I can drag and drop stuff into my folder. As you can see right now, I've got two picture folders, and then all the folders that are actually on my iPhone. So I've got these pictures here. Now I have 15 in there, so if I want to, I can go on my computer and let's see if I could show you this. We've got Finder window open right here, that folder that we were just in, and it's going to show me all those pictures. I'm going to go ahead and add one, drop it in, and it's copying it. So it just says it right there that it's copying. And it'll take a second and then it's done. So let's go over to the phone, and you can see it's already updated. Look, 16 items. I didn't even touch the phone. And if I click there, then you can see that image that I just uploaded, which is a background that I created for my Twitter account, shows up. So when I have an image selected, I could do previous, next, or click back. Go up a level and back up a level, and then view. I have a private folder and a public folder. Now public folder basically will allow anybody to access your stuff. Now I have set up settings. I've given myself a username and a password and registered with my email address. That way not just anybody can access my stuff. So one of the things that's neat about this app is that it works with it also works with any browser, so you could just type in that web address into a browser too, and then WebDAV, which is clients like Finder, which is what we just did. I showed you I typed in that address to have it connect to Finder. So let's see, what else do we have here in this app? So browse, we can actually find other iPhones, which is neat. This is what is different from this app compared to some other apps. If I had stuff in my public folder, like say some images or something like that, copied into my public folder, other people who have iPhones that have this app could access stuff that's in that folder. So it would find their phone here, I can click on their phone and then either grab stuff from their public folder or view stuff from their public folder. Under settings, we just looked at settings. I could turn that hint off if I want the little pop-up that gave me the website address. And then there's also a search if you know the file name that you're looking for and you don't feel like digging for it. Let's close and go back up. It is a free app, so as you can see, it's supported by some ads, but they don't seem too bothersome. And that's basically what this app is all about. It's sharing files, iPhone to iPhone, or iPhone to computer, or computer to iPhone, and it does a really great job at it. This app's called Discover. It's free. It's a small download. I would say that it's worth 5 stars. I think that it would be neat if they had a paid version, maybe for a couple bucks, that we could buy that didn't have ads. That would be neat. But other than that, this app is just great. So definitely, if you need a file sharing app, Discover is great. You just have to have a Wi-Fi connection to your computer in order to connect to your computer, or obviously have other people with iPhones connected to that Wi-Fi network as well, so that you can share amongst with other iPhone users. So that's going to do it for today's review. This is Jared with the iPhone App Podcast. Take care.